Hello kids! Are you ready to dive into the wild and discover some of the coolest animal facts ever? Get your safari hats on, because we are about to meet some amazing creatures that will make you go, wow! Let's hop, swim, and fly into the fun. Lion. Did you know that lions can snooze for up to 20 hours a day? That's like taking a super long nap. When they're not sleeping, they're the kings of the jungle, roaring loud and proud. Elephant. Here's something amazing. Elephants can communicate using low sounds that we can't even hear. They're like nature's secret talkers, chatting away with their friends from far away. Penguin. Vardal. Did you know penguins can't fly, but they can swim super fast? They can zoom through the water at 15 miles per hour. What a fun way to get around. Giraffe. Look at that long neck. Giraffes use their 20-inch long tongues to grab yummy leaves from tall trees. And guess what? They can reach up high without even leaving the ground. Kangaroo. Jumping jacks. Kangaroos can hop over 30 feet in one jump. That's like jumping over a whole playground. And they carry their babies in their pouches. How cute is that? Dolphin. Did you know dolphins have names for each other? They use special whistles to call their friends, just like you call your buddies. How cool is it to have a dolphin name? Turtle. Here's a funny fact. Some turtles can breathe through their bottoms. Yep, it helps them stay underwater for a long time. Talk about a unique way to get air. Monkey. Swinging through the trees, monkeys are smart. They can use tools just like us. Some use sticks to poke for ants, yummy snacks in the jungle. Frog. Jump. Frogs can leap over 20 times their body length. That's like you jumping over a car. They sure know how to hop around. Owl. Hoot. Did you know owls can turn their heads almost all the way around? They can look those 70 degrees. That helps them see their dinner in the dark. And there you have it, friends. From sleepy lions to super swimmers like dolphins, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Which fact was your favorite? Remember, the world is a wild place full of wonders just waiting for you to explore. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your hearts curious. Bye bye, little adventurers.